Hey guys, this is Elements Master here, and welcome to a game called Clumsy Bird. No, uh, just a little game I saw in the App Store. I'm like, might as well just do this. My dad downloaded it. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna play it. He said, "Oh, this is way better graphics, and what is up with its eyes? Looks like it's seen some ish, man. I mean, look at that. It's a little knockoff, of Flappy Bird, but it's all right. Oh man." I know where they got the wing sound. Sounds like metal. And alright, the game. I mean, Dump Trump was a little dreadful. I mean, y'all remember Dump Trump, right? Yeah. And I just figure, well, you know what? I might as well just do this. But doesn't that bird look retarded? I mean, look at its eyes. Looks deep into its eyes. Look at his eyes, young children. Looks like those eyes that you'll never it'll be the last thing you'll ever see. Like you're just you're dying. It's like Elemental Master posted a video. The bird's eyes. Uh, I just it would go like that. But oh well. Boom. Ah. Well, exactly. Boom. Yeah, just leave some comments on what games I should play. I'm playing a bunch of games, just like little mobile games. I think they're fun. Um, my next video, I figure. Oh, and guess what? I might do uh that mobile game, Fallout Vault. I already started playing it, but then it wouldn't load. If I'm probably make a new one, a new Vault, then it might load.
Joseph, Joseph, stop hollering.
Oof. Ah, got to 12. That's new. Later. And what's up with that hand? Looks like it's broken. I mean, look at it. I mean, the trees look alright. And, got the Mario running ground or whatever, Mario bricks down below us. Like, and what's up with these, physics? I mean, no, I'm not talking about physics of the bird. Well, they're alright. I'm talking about physics of the trees. How are they upright? I mean, I can understand pipes, but oh my god. Like, for real. Let's go. Ah. This is just a little game I just wanted to show y'all. It's not nothing really important. I'm not that into it or nothing. I just figured, you know what? Just might as well just do this little Flappy Bird little thing. Like, what is that hair? That little ball? I mean, I don't know. It kind of looks like that belongs on a mammoth. I know. You know, from Ice Age. I'll give you a hint. So it kind of sounds like man. Ends with E. What's his real name? Put in the comments what's his real name. Because I don't know his real name. Ah, no, I know they call him Manny, but I'm pretty sure his real name is something else. Sorry, I'm not the energetics. Just someone is sleeping in the house, so I had to be kinda quiet. Mm. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's being kind of quiet, okay? Shh. Shh. It's gonna be alright. Little retarded bird. Just fly in those trees. I think he's stripping out. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why the trees. Maybe he's trying to fly in between them. Ooh. 20. That's awesome. Well, I just wanted to show y'all this. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Just thank you again. Thank you guys for watching. Just give me support. Just like help me out with my videos, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.